Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is President of International Solar Alliance. India has been re-elected as the President of the International Solar Alliance for the term 2024 to 2026, signifying its continued leadership in global solar energy initiatives. The announcement came during the 7th General Assembly of the ISA, where Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy emphasized India's consistent efforts in promoting solar energy worldwide. France has also been re-elected as Vice President, continuing its collaboration with India to steer the organization's mission. Key developments in ISA. The ISA Assembly selected 8 vice presidents, 2 from each of the 4 major geographical regions: Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, and others, and Latin America, Caribbean. From the Africa region, Ghana and Seychelles were chosen as vice presidents, while South Sudan and the Comoros will serve as vice chairs to support them. Australia and Sri Lanka were selected as vice presidents for the Asia Pacific region, with the United Arab Emirates and Papua New Guinea serving as vice chairs. Initiatives and future plans. ISA is preparing to finalize the guidelines for the Viability Gap Funding Scheme, which will provide financial grants covering 10 to 35% of total project cost for solar initiatives in LDCs and SIDS. The funding is designed to ensure financial viability, provided that at least 90% of the project cost is secured. This will enable developing nations to overcome barriers in solar project implementation. The Assembly will also discuss strategies to promote gender inclusivity in solar energy projects, ensuring greater participation of women in ISA initiatives and programs. Now is the time for practice question. Which countries were selected as vice presidents from the Africa region? Ghana and Seychelles, Germany and Italy, Australia and UAE, or Greece and Norway? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.